Guys, I'm bored. Maybe I can be Miranda Sings. That's right, maybe I can. 1, 2, 3. Wait, that didn't work. 1, 2, 3. My name's Miranda Sings. Hey guys, it's me Miranda, and today we are going to be doing something really fun. Really fun. We're going to be reacting to nothing. We're going to be talking. No! Queen! Queenie! Oh! Oh! So, I'm going to give you a little makeup tutorial. How to look like me, Miranda. So, first thing you're going to be needing is lip gloss. You're going to be needing the Rain. I personally use the Rain all the time. Let's get a booger on there. Oh my god, a booger. Oh, there's one sticking out. Look, you see that booger? It's stuck in there. Hope you guys join this video. A booger. I got the booger out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Bye.